is only my flowers here at the front of my house. So because I must prepare to plant tomatoes here rather than flowers. But at the back of my house I have some flowers in there. So every year I'm planting tomatoes in here, guys. So look at this one, guys. It's a different one. The shape look. It's the first time I have this guy. They call it, this one in here is a mortgage layer tomato. Is a big one. And the color when they're ripe is like that. So look at this one, guys. Small tree but having already, you know. And this one